stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue sky.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my experience with rice water. So I've been hearing about rice water for hair growth, fermented rice water for hair growth and all that, and who doesn't want their hair to grow, you know? So I'm like, ooh, I think I need to try this. And but before then, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about my hair. Of course, this is not my hair. My hair length was here. So before I cut it, and I cut my hair because I wanted it, because I used to relax my hair, and so when I started relaxing my hair after a year, 2 years or thereabout, I was like, no, I need to go natural, because I wanted my hair thick, and like everyone in my family has thick hair. Of course I have thick hair, but when I started relaxing my hair wasn't how it used to be. So I was like, I need to cut my hair, because if I cut it, it's going to give it time. You know, of course, if you cut your hair without relaxer, it will grow thicker. So I'm like, that's what I need to do. So, and that's what I want. So I went for it. So I cut my hair. So when I cut my hair, I started growing natural. So then I started seeing rice water for hair growth, and all that. So I'm like, I need to try this, since I want my hair to. And when I cut my hair, I cut my hair like bare, like very low, no hair at all, because I wanted everything to start afresh. So I cut my hair, and then my hair started to grow. So, and then I'm like, why not try rice water, since I want my hair to grow super fast. So when I tried the rice water, I'm sorry I don't have the clips. I actually lost them. When I did the rice water, my hair was about 6 inches, like there. You know, when you're growing natural, it looks like afro, and your hair won't be like straight like that. It was, when I pull it, you see the length. So it was like 6 inches, so like somewhere here. So when I did the rice water, and I was hoping to get the best result, of course I didn't want to get worse or bad results when I did that. So I used fermented rice water, so which I'm going to show you example of it here. I washed the rice at first, but it's very advisable, yeah, to wash it and remove the chemicals. So I did. So if you don't want to do fermented rice water, after you put it this way, you can leave it for an hour to 2 hours, drain it to remove the rice, and then you just use only the rice water, only the water. So, and but mine, I actually use the fermented one, and this is, I just did this again just for the purpose of this video. So you can use the rice water like normal. You can use, like, leave it for an hour to 2 hours and still get your results. But and you can still use the fermented one, which you leave for 24 hours. You're supposed to get a better result with that one, and that's why I went for that. I put my rice water here. You're supposed to put the rice water in a glass jar or something, like this. And then I used about 3 spoons of rice, and then I pour like 3 cups of water, and then I covered it and leave it for 24 hours, which is fermented rice water. I know the benefits of rice water, especially the fermented one. It can make your hair grow, it can leave your hair shiny, it can balance the hair pH, and other benefits of rice water. So this is what I had in mind when I tried the rice water. So when I did that, I washed my hair normally. I applied conditioner as normal, and then I rinsed it off, and then I used the rice water to rinse my hair, and then I wash it off. So that was exactly what I did, and and I was like hoping to try that again after 2 or 3 weeks later. But before a week to 2 weeks, my hair started to break. So my hair started like falling. When I'm combing my hair, I can see my hair coming out. I'm like, what was that? Like, did I do anything wrong? Did I not do it the way I'm supposed to do it? And like, my hair literally was gone. Like, how I explained to you that my hair was like 6 inches. It's like my hair started breaking. Like, it's left me like 2 inches, if I may say, 2 inches of the remaining hair that was left was like about 2 inches. Sometimes I want to do hair DIYs, like show you how to do buzzberry with my hair and all that, but I couldn't because I I was so embarrassed with my hair because of the breakage, because my hair wasn't my hair. I know hair breaks once in a while, but the breakage was something else, you know. So will I use rice water again? Never say never. I don't know, but I'm not sure I'm gonna use it anytime soon. Until I figure out what I did wrong, because it seems like everybody rice water works for me, this rice water did that, and this is my personal experience. Like, I know the benefits, I know it works, but maybe not for all hair types. That's because sometimes I think this that works for so many people like this, why is it not that it didn't work for me? But I just came to conclusion that maybe my hair type is different. Maybe something might work for this person and it might not work for the other person. So I just came to a conclusion that no, rice water is not for me. So so I will try to put the picture of how my hair looks now in the somewhere there, so you guys can see. And the way my hair looks now is far better. When the rice water stuff happened, I was devastated, I was broken, I was unhappy. It was terrible. So it was so bad, I felt so bad. But yeah, nevertheless, the hair grows, and I'm hoping to grow my hair with other means, like just leave it to grow. And now I apply castor oil, and just normal hair stuff, which I will gradually show you guys what I do from now and then, like how I manage to grow my hair from what it is just now. So don't come for me if rice water has worked for you. Because it has worked for you does not mean it might, it will work for the other person. So because it didn't work for me does not mean it's not going to work for you. So do what you want to do. If you want to try it, you just go ahead and try it. This is just my personal experience, and nobody forced me to do that, to use rice water. I just went for it and I got my result, and this is my personal experience. So yeah, I don't want to drag this video too far. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and if you don't like it, that's okay. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you guys next time, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Peace.
We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in